back after him, get me another bird. I floated across in the kayak. As soon as I got to the blind, heard one gobble. See what we can make happen today. I like to use the slate and mouth call mixture. It's just a matter of time. Unbelievable, that one got away. It's amazing how they could take a shot like that and get up and run off. Well, I'm not going to let it bother me. I'm going to sit right back down. Big gobbler down once again. Shot at one earlier this morning, came in strutting. He shook it off and got away from me. Not sure if it was the same bird or not. Most hunters would have got up and left. Never give up, man. Even after you miss, sit right back down. You'll call in another one, or maybe even the same one, who knows. Even though I killed over 100 birds, man, still gets the old heart pumping. Good job, Mabel. Good job, Jake Bird. Big fun. Awesome hunt, man. Till next time. Peace.